What's up, everybody? I'm back with another tool deals video, and today we have some more deals coming at you from various places. So let's go ahead and get into it. First up, we're over at Amazon with this Metabo 12 volts brushless drill driver. So this thing is $69.99. It is bare tool only. It's a very good tool. I have this myself, but of course, you're going to be missing batteries, right? So you're going to need batteries, going to need a charger. If you're already in a Metabo 12 volt line, you actually probably already have this tool. The thing that makes it unique is this quick disconnect right here, which you can put on other Metabo tools if they fit. Generally, the 12 volts, the 18 volt tools are a little bit bigger, but this will go on other 12 volt tools. You also don't need this. This is only if you have like cylindrical drill bits you need to use. Other than that, you could just use hex bit type items. You can make the drill a lot shorter by just connecting it right into this bad boy right here, because it has a little hex fittings inside of there. So there you go, $69.99. Got something a little bit better though. Here's another drill. Now this is brushed though. This is not a brushless drill. This is a brush drill, but it comes as a kit. Two 2 amp hour batteries, a charger, a hard case for $49.99. So if you wanted a drill, this is obviously a little bit bigger because it doesn't have the disconnect. When you put them side by side, even with this on there, this looks a little goofy, as you can see on there, because there's a slight little gap right there. This is still shorter than this. So it's not big, but you know, it's brushed, so you gotta have like room for the brushes back there. It's still a decent drill, but for the money with all this that you get with the kit and all that, you really can't be beat for a nice German designed tool. Notice I said German design because everything is made in China now. Going back to this again, I've shown you guys this a million times. $199 over at Lowe's. It comes with a starter kit or two 8 amp hour batteries, or the starter kit with the 8 amp hour battery. Lowe's will price match Amazon as long as it's shipped and sold by Amazon. You might get lucky depending on the rep. If you do it over the internet, they might price match that thing to 161, and you end up getting this high torque impact wrench with two 8 amp hour batteries. Crazy! For $161.91, and this thing does outperform the Milwaukee 2767, but just by a little bit. Moving on, we have this thing right here. I showed you guys this yesterday. Check out the video yesterday because I showed you this as a kit with batteries and another impact driver and a bag and all that for $89 at Acme Tool. Check the video from yesterday. You'll see it. Don't buy this, obviously. Boop, get that out of there. Going on over to Ohio Power Tool. Ohio Power Tool does have this Milwaukee lawnmower with, the kit, the batteries, the dual charger, and it comes with your choice between the blower and a string trimmer for $10.99. Now, over at Home Depot, they used to have this deal, but it's all sold out. Bow. So string trimmer sold out, and if you say, "Oh, I want the blower," then it's $13.98. Still sold out though, but it was $13.98 sold out, and it was on a BOGO, which is now a no-go. Anyway, so you can get the same deal over at Ohio Power Tool. Moving on, back to Ohio Power Tool. Bosch is having a sale, $50 off $200. So spend $200, you get $50 off. So please feel free to go through this. Find yourself a good deal. I didn't see anything real crazy. Yeah, especially if you can go to Lowe's and get those buy more, save more deals that I mentioned again in yesterday's video. Yesterday was a really good video yesterday. There was some heat in that video yesterday. Moving on over to Yeso. I like to call this Yeso. They had sent me an email. Someone said, "Oh, we have this deal, friend. We have this walking pad under this treadmill for $299." I'm like, you know what? That ain't half bad. But then I said, well, is it though? Is it? Now, it was a thing up here saying it's extra 10% off. I don't know what happened to that little code, but it was there. You get 2 free sports bottles, but I'm like, is that though? Because the max speed on this thing is 3.8 miles per hour, and what if I wanted to go for a brisk jog, a little, light jog? So I wanted something like that. So I ended up finding this. I did some deep research, and for this has a coupon for $50 off. So for $259, you can get this one right here, Ooh, I didn't even notice. Oh, yeah, it comes with that bar that goes down. That is really cool. So you have this bar, adjustable bar right there. And then, of course, you can walk, but this thing goes up to 7.6 miles per hour. And that's good for almost anybody. I like this much better and it's less money. So there you go with that as well. We're not gonna talk about the Olight stuff because these deals not gonna go live for several days, and I'm gonna forget. But I did try some of them. Let me tell y'all, like this multi-tool right here is very nice multi-tool, well made. Some of the flashlights that I've tried are not quite here. This little free one, this is a really good flashlight. Keychain light, y'all. This is amazing. This thing is well made, well crafted, solid flashlights, man. Take advantage when you see these things on sale. And they have Rakuten too. That Marauder Mini is $199, so let's forget that. But let me tell you, these new ones that release, like the Seeker is really good, and it also comes with a black light as well. So it's like 3 or 4 settings, and then it also has for brightness rather, and then there's a black light as well. So yeah, you see UV LED, really nice. Obviously, get the bundle for extra dollar. Can you get this pen light? Really cool, but again, that's not going to be live for 4 days. And then again, I think I mentioned already, you have Rakuten over here with 4% cash back plus your $30 cash back if you're new. Moving on over to Lowe's, we have these Metabo HPT deals. I just want to remind you guys again that these deals are back. You guys were really loving this job site blower. $99 and you get two 2 amp hour batteries. These are the new ones with the battery gauges on them and a charger. Excellent deal right there. Same for this sander. The sander is $119, and you get two 2 amp hour batteries and a charger. Also excellent deal. Of course, don't forget your Rakuten. Now let me pause real quick before I move on to the next deal. Just say if you're getting any value from this video, please consider subscribing. It helps me out a lot with these other sponsors that just want to pay me to say, hello, look at this thing right here. It sucks. They pay me. You know what I'm saying? They'll pay me to do that and be honest. They usually don't hire me back after that, but they will pay me, and I only get that if I have subscribers because y'all seen how much I make. It's like part-time high school work. So please help me out with the subscribers. Sign up for Slick Deals. They'll give me a few dollars if you do that. And trust me, Slick Deals, man, I've been using it for like 10 years. And again, I mentioned it in the Facebook group. And I've been using Slick Deals since these Canon Pro 10s was free. If you know, you know. That was 10 years ago. Man, I had a whole bunch of these things. So anyway, Slick Deals can be very helpful. All my cell phones have come by way of Slick Deals, more than just tools. So check them out. Going back to the deals, we have this Metabo HPT job site radio. It's very good. I have this one. I like this better than the DeWalt. But again, ironically, and I still never posted that video. Those Walmart little Bluetooth speakers are quite good for $20. I think if I really had to do it all over, I would just bought that. But I got these batteries too, so this wasn't a bad deal. Honestly, I probably wouldn't buy that again though. Yeah, I would just get this Pro Scan right here, this little 1998. That thing is amazing for $20. It just really is. It just really is. But if you want something rugged and all of that, then have at it here. Just don't forget your Rakuten again. Then I also want to remind you again that there's some buy one get ones on the Cobalt tools. They're all Shervin, these Flex Skill. So have at it. I hear good things about these brushless Cobalt tools. So I don't own a single Cobalt tool, so I can't really say a whole lot. But I do know everyone was raving about that ratchet though, that right angle ratchet, and and also that right angle impact wrench, which they're not giving away for free. So oh yeah, there it is. I've heard a lot of good things about this bad boy right here. So yeah, there you go with that. And then moving on back to Metabo HPT, we have this Brad Nailer. I just kind of wanted to see what was going on. $279. That's not bad considering it is a bundle and it comes with this battery, and then it comes with another 2.5 amp hour Metabo HPT 36 volt battery. So that's not bad considering how much the Milwaukee's is, the $299, $279 tool only. And these are tomato, man. If you have one, people, they perform pretty much the same. I would say that this is probably a little louder than that Milwaukee though. This sounds like a little Glock going off. Then they have the pin nailer for $149 with the starter kit, 2 amp hour batteries. Then moving on again, this jigsaw also $99. Great deal here for a jigsaw with this starter kit. Moving on, I just want to remind you, this isn't quite really a sale, but for the price, you'll love it. Look, if you have some type of European car, Volvo or something like that, you need this. You need this. You cannot go to Advanced Auto Parts or AutoZone and rent those tools. They will not fit. They will not reset your calipers. Save yourself some grief. Get this one. This one that's like $23, but it don't have these hooks to mount and hang your caliper brackets. Do that. I'm telling y'all, do this. Save my life. Gosh darn it, for $25. Totally worth it. Do it today. Moving on. Oh, that was it. That was it. So anyway, that's it for today's video. Hopefully it was helpful, you guys. I will probably see you guys next week sometime. I'm about to hit the road. Thanks again for all your support. Bye.